Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying essentials. Claim or create a Google business profile so your shop shows in search. This is the ownership gate. Next, prepare a concise product feed with titles, accurate prices, and GTIN where possible because Google uses structured data to match searches. Once done, collect high-quality images, 800 by 800 pixels or larger, to meet Google's image requirements. Make sure your contact and shipping info are accurate, since incorrect details block listing approvals and frustrate buyers. You now set up Google Merchant Center and link it to your business profile. Linking enables your shop content to reach search. Upload a product feed, use CSV or Google Sheets for small catalogs, or API for automation, making sure required attributes like ID, title, price, and availability are filled. Then configure shipping rates, tax settings, and return policies inside Merchant Center so Google can show accurate checkout expectations. Once these are complete, run diagnostics to surface attribute errors and warnings for correction. You finish by submitting your shop for review and publishing. Google typically indexes within 3 to 5 days, so be patient. After submission, monitor Merchant Center diagnostics and Google Search Console to spot disapprovals or structured data issues. These tools tell you exactly which attributes to fix. If the shop is not appearing, clear common problems. Fix feed formatting errors, remove policy violations, and revalidate structured data markup. One key troubleshooting tip: upload corrected feed and request a manual.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.